This homemade Paneer Bun recipe makes the most flavorful, golden and aromatic bun that are perfect for picnics, lunch, gathering and just about any trip away from home where a portable snacks is necessary. Though I have tasted this in a bakery near my place and from them only I have learned the most easiest way how to make this bun. So hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story and this is Mita. Today let's make a very fresh homemade paneer bun. For this, before we start, let us check the ingredients. So the ingredients are all-purpose flour 1 cup, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, sugar, salt, cumin powder, dry yeast. With that, tomato sauce, fresh paneer cut into small cubes, coriander leaf chopped, 2 tomato chopped, 1 onion chopped and 1 capsicum cut into long strips. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, in a lukewarm water, add 1.5 teaspoon of dry yeast. With that, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. And to activate it, cover and keep it for 5 minutes. On the other side, let us make the masala. Though let me tell you, while doing this masala, my camera went off and I didn't notice it. So let me inform you and share the recipe verbally, and you can also check the description box below. First, in a pan add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil heat up, then add 1 medium sized onion chopped, 2 medium sized tomato chopped, 1 capsicum. Fry it for some time, then add the paneer. With that, add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and half teaspoon of cumin seed. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes and our masala is perfectly done. Though don't forget to sprinkle some coriander leaf chopped. Now, let us check our yeast. You can see in this video that our yeast is activated perfectly. Now with this yeast water, we will make a dough. For this, in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now gradually add this water and make a very soft dough. While kneading the dough, you need to add the yeast water in batches or else you will not able to manage the dough. And once you are done with kneading, then cover and leave to rise in a warm place for at least 1 hour. Cover the bowl with a damp kitchen towel or cover it with a plate and leave it for an hour. After an hour, you will see the size has been double its size from before. And this is the time to open and knead it for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, divide the dough into 5 equal portions. Once you are done, then place your palm over the top and rotate to form a cute little bun and keep aside. Next, take a baking tray, add half teaspoon of refined oil and gently spread all over the tray, and then take 1 portion of the ball and make a hole in the middle. Now with a tablespoon, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of paneer filling from the top and seal it from all the sides. Now you need to pull up the edges of the dough, pinching it together in the middle. Repeat until the ball is sealed. Place your palm over the top and rotate to form a cute little bun. Then place the bun onto the baking tray and like this way repeat with all the buns and arrange it properly. Give a gap in between. After finishing with all the dough, you will leave to rise for 30 minutes on a lined tray, so it needs some space to expand. And now, once you try and make this one, this is so soft and fluffy, the interior is so spongy and it tastes so yum with the paneer filling that you will fall in love with this and stop buying from the store one. Now all the buns are ready. Then from above, sprinkle some sesame seed, press it with your fingers, and then leave it for around 20 minutes to rinse it once again. After that, we will bake these cute little buns. At last, before it goes for baking, take 1 tablespoon of milk and half teaspoon of sugar, mix it well and brush the bun from top as we are making this bun eggless, so I am not using egg wash. If you want, you can also use egg wash in place of milk wash. Now it's time to place this bun into a preheated oven and bake for 200 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Now finally, see the look, how it's looking. Just like the store-bought bun? It seems so. If yes, then do comment in my comment section below. And while before serving it, brush it with some melted butter from the top. And enjoy this cute little buns with your friends and family. And if you think to this yummy paneer bun is really worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so when I upload my next video, you get the notification first. Stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking stories. See you again with another new episode. Till then, bye bye.